Metaverse Real Estate will make you a millionaire. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you all about Metaverse Real Estate, what is Metaverse and how you can simply buy a land in a Metaverse to make millions of dollars. So let's get started. At first, you might be wondering what is Metaverse and what is Metaverse Real Estate. Well, Metaverse is this virtual reality that has been created. There are different metaverses available where you can create, explore, and trade in different virtual worlds. There are different assets, there are lands that you can buy, and you actually make millions of dollars with it. You won't believe me when I tell you that just a small piece of land is being sold for millions of dollars and it is real money. It is, encrypted on any of the blockchain, for example, Ethereum, but then you can simply convert your Ethereum to your real money as well if you want to use them in physical world. But the tokens and NFTs are worth millions of dollars. So how to get started with it, and you just heard about the metaverse and you want to do real estate in metaverse. So how you will get started, what are the different platforms you should go for. So today I will show you that. Let's start with a virtual reality, a metaverse known as Decentraland, decentraland.org. When you will go on this platform right here, it is one of the metaverses that are available out there, and you can simply go ahead and create and explore this metaverse. What happens is that you can simply go ahead and buy land in this metaverse right here, and then you can simply go ahead and build land. It's your land, right? So you can do anything with that land, and then you can simply sell it. You can trade your land just like in the real world, but the difference is that a small piece of land is worth millions of dollars in metaverse, and people are actually willing to buy them because it is the future. Everybody is kind of like looking into metaverse now, and it is the start. I would say it is a while now that metaverse has been around, but still a lot of people don't know about the metaverse. So what you need to do is that create your own land, buy a land in one of the metaverse, and then you will be able to make a lot of money with them. The next metaverse that you can go for is going to be sandbox.game. Sandbox.game is one of the very famous metaverse out there, and it is very trending, and the price value of this one is really high. You can simply go ahead and buy land in Sandbox, and of course again the land is going to be very expensive. What happens in metaverse is that there are different lands, and you can actually create whatever you want to in that land. You can create stores, you can go ahead and create bars, restaurants, and create shops. So you can actually go ahead and create a mall in which people will actually rent different shops from you. It just works like a real world, but the difference is that it's not real, it's all virtual. You can buy land next to Snoop Dogg, so that's like really interesting. That you can see right here that all of the big brands are now partnered with these virtual realities, with these metaverse, and they all have lands there. So you can also buy a land, you can be the part of this huge massive community, and you can buy your own land, and after that you will be able to trade it and make a lot of money. How we make money? The first thing is that you sell a land, right? You sell it to a normal person, they will actually pay you, because in Ethereum you will be making a lot of money. One Ethereum right now is around about like $3,000 at the time of making this video. So what happens is the people will actually pay you, right? Then there are different factors as well. For example, you have a place next to Snoop Dogg, right? So maybe a major brand wants a place next to this famous place. So they will actually contact you and they will ask you to sell your land. And your land will actually have much higher value, and you can sell it on at the double price than you bought it. So that's how it works. Now let me actually show you how to buy land and where you can find the land that you need to buy. So to buy land for Sandbox, what you can do is simply go to an NFT platform known as OpenSea.io. In Metaverse, everything is NFT. The land that you're going to buy is going to be NFT. So what you have to do is go to OpenSea.io, which is world's first and largest NFT marketplace. In here, we will be able to, buy land from Sandbox. You can see right here the Sandbox, and then we have the Sandbox assets. We want to buy the land, so let me actually show you that what's the floor price and what's the minimum value of a land that you can buy and what's the most expensive one. So we have opened up the Sandbox, which is one of the very famous metaverse right here. So the total number of item is 172.k. Then we have 20.3k owners, and the floor price is right now 1.92. The volume traded is going to be 157.1k. So if I scroll down, I will be able to show you. You can see right here, this is the land. This is the land, location right here, minus 47,186, and this one is being sold for 1.68. This is the top bid for this land. Then if I scroll down, I will be able to show you these are the different lands, like these small boxes right here that you see. These are all land that you can buy within a metaverse. So you can see right here, people have actually placed a bid for 1.95 Ethereum. Let's say that 2 Ethereum is kind of like the starting that you can place the bid, and 2 Ethereum is like $6,000 or $7,000, and that's it. So that's actually not expensive, because if we look at the a bigger picture and the money we will be making billions of millions of dollars with the land that we will buy today. So just by investing $6,000 or $7,000, you will be making millions of dollars in no time. So that's actually a big investment, and people should actually look into it. But again, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice. So I'm just showing you how you can do real estate in a metaverse. So you can see right here, these are the cheap ones. But if I show you the expensive lands, so if we go right here on prices, and I'm gonna go ahead and go from high to low, then I will be able to show you the most expensive lands that are available. So you can see right here, when it comes to being expensive, like of course the area will be bigger. It will be a bigger land, these big boxes right here. And then of course the location, that's what matters in metaverse. Like you can see right here, this land is very next to the Binance land right here. So the value of this land is actually really, really high right here. Now just imagine if a person had bought this land before Binance was here, right? Now they can actually sell this one for 1,950 Ethereum. That's insane. That's like billions of dollars right there. You can see right here, this one is 2,000 Ethereum. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. And actually, let me show you how much is 2,000 Ethereum right now. So you can see right here, right now, 1 Ethereum is $3,000, and 2,000 Ethereum is going to be around about 6 billion. So that's insane. And that's what I'm saying. Right now, this is being sold for this much. So just imagine the person selling it, how much they are making out of this. They are making billions of dollars. So similarly, you can make, for you simply buy a land. I'm not saying buy these expensive ones, but that's the thing, right? The land that is being sold for maybe 2 Ethereum or maximum 10 Ethereum. Let's say you buy a land for 10 Ethereum right now. You can actually sell that land later when the value of that land will be really, really high. You can simply go ahead and sell that land for millions of dollars. And that's what we're talking, that metaverse is insane, and that is how you can get started with it. Go for it and search about the metaverse. You can go for any of the metaverses out there, and then of course you can simply buy a land on Sandbox. There is also a map available for you to check out. If you want to buy the land, you can check out the map. You will be able to find the land on the map, and then you can come right here and buy the land from the OpenSea, which is a very easy platform to buy. You simply connect your wallet right here. You can actually buy this land on your MetaMask right here. You can see right here, all I have to do is connect my MetaMask, and then I will be good to go, and I will be able to buy a land in metaverse, and I will be able to do real estate. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how metaverse real estate works. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.